Hi everyone, welcome to Sophie Universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May He open that beautiful side of yours to see and understand from my own point of view. Today, I will talk anything I want to talk about for my beautiful second dialect, Pidgin English, the area where I feel flow, my brothers and sisters, the area where I'm not going to use past tense, they miss present tense, the area where I'm not going to act for me. Now I want to talk today. I want to talk about something again when I see for social media. I don't feel to talk about similar thing like this. I just beg my brothers and sisters, I just beg you in the name of anything where you believe, just summon that good side inside you. All of us get them. Just summon around. To take see from my own point of view, to take understand. I just pray. May the good spirit visit you to take understand. So if we change the world that they think, so that this world will be better place for us, so that we don't feel the complicated issues by ourselves, so that we don't feel they use our hand to they cause problem to ourselves, or we don't even know where the problem from the come. Today I want to talk about something again when I see for social media. I come this one audio recording. I come across this audio recording, and they put one woman picture join am. The woman get belle. Maybe I know I, inside me, when that picture you will know say she send am go give her partner. So according to another audio wey I still hear concerning that picture, e come dey talk to one man. When I talk about wey say make dem come swear oath, the woman come dey talk to am, dey tell am say he wan go kill himself as the picture come out, as person post am out. And the man come still record am when the as the woman take talk, as he take advise am, as he take give am hope. The man come still send am out, say him dey give am hope. Make we, why I bring am come out now, the way we take dey behave, way we take dey offend spirits, wey take dey offend people in different ways wey we no know. To him, I understand, I fit understand say maybe not be as I take dey think am now, not be so him take dey think am. You see wetin I still dey talk now, not the way me take dey reason am now, not be so people wey this video come across go take reason, and now they make me dey always the beg to just summon that good side. I no say make you by force agree with me, make you just see from where I from the come, make you just try understand wetin I dey try talk. When two of us dey argue, if I tell you say you wrong, you tell me say I wrong, not me say two of us really wrong. You dey tell me say I wrong because the area wey me from dey look am, you no agree. The area where you for still dey look am, me I no agree. E no mean say wetin you dey talk wrong or wetin me dey talk wrong. Na the third party na go come tell the two of us. Na the same thing we dey talk with different language. So that make all of us name the third party wey go be the angel wey go balance the issue. So I no expect make everybody agree with wetin I dey talk. I just beg make people just see from where I from dey see. This man release the audio where he take advise this woman. He released the audio, and I no feel like you, I was pissed as a woman. I was offended as a human being. I was I don't know as I want to talk. I was really, really angry. You not feel the console person, at the same time they kill this person. This woman they cry. This woman, she was in pain. This woman said she want to kill herself, and you console her. You don't need to record that thing, not to talk so you want to send them out. Now out of wickedness, they make somebody, they record person voice. The time we record, it never come out. How we take they live? How you go they record somebody voice when una not they argue anything, when your lawyer not need evidence to take prove you right, when you know they court of law? Why you they record somebody voice? Why are you this insecure? Why you like to they blackmail people? That is blackmail. I beg my brother, my sister, if you they do this thing, not do them again. You they kiss somebody. You dey destroy somebody happiness. You dey destroy person. You dey put fuel join fuel. No do am again. No dey record people voice again. What do you want to prove? How many of una dey argue? How many of una dey drag something? Who you hold explanation? Who you want impress? You really think say people need that gossip? That one na gossip. Do you really think within you say people really need them? I don't think so. To they hear somebody pain, to they hear somebody cry, not be waiting I want. Because I don't like to see my fellow human being, to see my fellow brother, to see my fellow sister, they hurt. It's bad. No stop this way we take they live. No will stop to they provoke the spirits. No will stop to they make. No stop to they use ourselves to they cause pain to ourselves, because anything you do, you shall reap. If you don't know, now therefore even worst pass. When you don't know, say you offend somebody and that person they vex, and that person get you a lucky put, and the good spirit they vex for waiting you do where you don't know. It dey hard before life better for person. It dey hard. Let's change this our evil way. Now evil way I will call them. There is no other way to, there is no other name for it. To me, in my own opinion, in my universe, the way I think, it's not evil way of doing things. Please, please, my brothers and sisters, I come here come beg, and I come here come ask questions. I like to ask my brothers and sisters questions. I love it, so that I feel know wetin I don't know. Make we stop am. Make we stop to dey cause people pain, because that thing go come out. Wetin you record go come out. No be are you take reason now for your mind. Wetin make you record am? No be so me go take think am. No be so my sister go take think am. No be so my brother go take think am. No be so your wife or your husband or your children go take think am. Everybody get a way till they think. Everybody dey unique and special. Everybody get a head. Everybody get the way till they see life. Make we abeg. Make we abeg. People must still share. I know. Without them not share, me no will see am. But if e reach my hand, I know they share am. People must share. You can't change that fact. But make we try. Still they tell people. People they change. But everybody not fit change. If you fit change one person, it's written in heaven. It's written in the good spirit diary. Try. There is nothing you cannot do when you really want to do it. Stop to the record people voice. Stop to the one feel. I don't know as I'll take put some. Make we stop and make we abeg. It dey kill people. It dey kill people. Make we abeg. Make we know they this insecure. Make we know they bring our own self come out. Because when you bring out somebody, when you bring person come out, you they show the world the kind of person where you be. You know they disgrace that person. You they automatically disgrace yourself, because you they prove to the world say you be untrust. You be somebody where person not fit trust. You be somebody where person not fit live secret with. You be somebody where person not fit depend on. You be 10 face, not be 2 face. You be chameleon. You can change at any time. make we stop am, make we abeg. Then another audio come follow am. The audio they make am together. They put the one wey that man wey say make all women come swear oath do. They come put on that one join am. This one na woman, and it breaks me to pieces. It break me. It break all my. It break all my bones to see say na woman na do that audio. She do this audio. The audio went viral. It reached, in fact, it reached another planet. That video, that audio went viral. The woman called this woman by name. He called this woman by name. Tell this woman, excuse me, tell this woman, say, she not deserve to live. Say, because somebody send her naked picture, send her belle, her pregnancy, her innocent baby. For just that innocent baby wey dey that belle, not even suppose make anybody make audio about that video. Woman like you, when you know say no woman for this planet Earth wey not be porn star, wey go just naked video herself put for social media, me and you suppose know say na somebody wey hate her, na somebody wey hate don build paradise for him heart, na make that thing come out. We no need to talk about her. We only need to use am to advise people. We only need to use am to tell people to remove that hate inside them, because it will destroy them. When you dey forgive somebody, I dey like to tell people, say forgive. You dey forgive that person, and you dey do yourself good, because that space where you put that person go come dey free, because that space black. You dey do yourself good. You forgiving somebody, you dey do yourself big good. So I don't understand why woman go carry audio on her camera, say she love, say she na love, she na God pikin, and she dey preach, dey go church. She even dey use God name take dey swear for this woman wey be victim. Why we dey crucify victims? Why we dey want make victims go kill themselves? No woman go just on camera begin to show herself. He send her go give somebody. Now the person now send them out. Now that person, we need to tell, say, stop that evil act. There is no place for evil in our generation. Now that one was supposed to face. This woman say, the woman tell this man, say she want to kill herself. Say make she go die. She doesn't deserve to live. How could you be this heartless? Somebody will come and cry. She don't feel. But some people I not just know how some people take go this far. Sometimes I could just look, I could just say, there is nothing you can do for some people. There is no how you fit take talk some people out from some bondage where they dey. And these people will tell you say that they good pass. These people will tell you say that they go church pass. These people will tell you say that they minister pass. These people will tell you say that they dey close to God pass. You tell somebody where one die, she even accept am. She even talk am to somebody. You hear am because of what you hear. Say she says she want to kill herself. This woman say she not deserve to live. What has she done? What did she do? Say because she send a picture go give somebody where she trust. Why will they always blame the victims? Why will they always see fault for anything where woman do? Why will they always they say men are right? I'm not saying men are not right, but 60% are wrong, as some women still they wrong. Why we not they ask ourselves as human beings, say why Why we women not dey publish the male gentiles? Why women no dey say that the vex make they go show their ex picture for social media? Or some people dey think say some men no dey send their girlfriend, their wife, their naked body. Do you really think that say some men no dey wey dey send their wife? Because we are unique, because we know say if we send am out now, our body will dey send out. Because we know we get this love inside us. Don't be say men no dey send and go give women. Men dey send and go give women. And I'm sick, I'm tired of hearing women in particular, all due respect to my women, to my mothers. They talk saying since this thing don't they go on, this thing don't they go on for years, you not feel and take get sense, why you will send them? Send your naked picture, go give man. If you no fit trust your partner, no preach love again. If you no fit trust somebody will give you belle, somebody wey you fit open your body for, make it enter inside you. Some people don't know the meaning of love making. Some people don't know wetin that they do in the spiritual realm. Some people don't know wetin that they exchange in the spiritual realm. Some people not just know the important, the secret, as that thing they sacred. Some people don't know, they just feel say na 5 minutes enjoyment. No, it's more than that. If you not fit trust your partner, say one day if you just vex, can't just do this thing. If the man truly love you, you need to wait make he reach us. Which kind man not go feel wait for a wife, or which kind woman not go feel wait make he fair reach us? Wetin be love? Love they make you crazy. If you truly know wetin be love. If you truly know wetin be love, sometimes not be those partners they send down. Sometimes you go hold you go there with your phone, and you now your private phone, cell phone, your phone. If he lost, do you blame that person who puts her private things for her phone, her own phone, or you blame the evil person wey see those things, wey feel say people need to ridicule this person, and that person, that evil person, we need to dey blame, or the victim? This woman, according to the story, they say now the man, your own man, because he dey vex, now he send this thing out. It still dey happen for Western world. The girl for America, get one musician. This woman don't born 2 or 3 kids for him because the woman make am vex. He send his own children mama naked picture out. He put them for her, make the world see her. It happen everywhere. Now that person be evil person. Now that person we need to fight, not be the victim. That audio where that woman make, not be only that woman did that position, that moment. Not be only that woman did in that sorrowful mood. It happens every day. Because you never see them. No me say it not just happen to somebody now. This thing don't happen to me many years ago. I was very lucky. Say as I then this social media crazy things, this virus where they put inside social media now never enter. WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook never catch fire like this. If not, I for don't stay there for social media. You just do something for fun. It doesn't mean say you dey stupid. Let's be mature. Make we dey quarrel with these men where they send their ex picture out. They are not mature, they are evil. If you fit send somebody where you say you feel love, somebody where you don't profess love to, somebody where you don't sleep with, somebody where you don't share your blood with, you fit send that person naked picture out with your unborn baby. Which kind God won't forgive that kind of person? Even even though God forgive am, that unborn baby spirit is still a spirit. He never even come this wicked world. How he go take forgive you for exposing the mother to the world because you are angry? You never make that your partner angry once. Why would they allow our emotion? Why would they allow this anger? They always they win. Why would they give glory to hate? The man will send that picture out. The man will send whether na video is na picture I say. The man will send the picture out. Now they suppose deal with. If to say I know that person, it not concern me, but I will take him personally. I will take him like contract because now woman he do that thing too. Because now human being he do that thing too. Because that woman figure kill herself. Do you know how it feels to see say your family when they see your naked body? Do you know how it feels say the world they see your own pride? It hurts, it pains, that pain where that person go they put you not be here. We should stop causing pain to people. We should stop making people feel inferior. We should stop making people feel this pain. Man, if he send woman picture, naked picture, go outside, make the world see that man na devil in human form. That man na not deserve to live. Not be that woman, because now evil spirit wey dey body it too big. They not fit deliver that kind of evil. That one a height of evil. We don't need to quarrel with these people. We don't need to give these people reason to go kill themselves. They deserve to live. Love fit make you dey stupid. It happened to me today. Not me say no will happen to you tomorrow. It not me say no will happen to you tomorrow. Make we know they take glory for people pain. The woman believe they talk say you know they make people with their husband house they get respect. Say people with they for Africa their wife with they for here or they talk say that they do prostitute. See madam, I don't know your name. I know say you be Bini like me. You can't speak Bini, madam. Not be so that they do. Make we change the way we say they behave. Make we stop to the feel say we too good when our own day our body. Make we stop to the do hypocrisy. Make we stop them. Now so women they share their private parts all over social media. Which woman with her right senses go just on camera? Just the video herself for Facebook Live. In no day, the person send it to somebody where you trust with your life. Before you send video, audio, go give somebody you trust this person with your life, and this person betray you, turn back to stab you, and the world wants me you go die. The world, people they criticize you instead of them to criticize these men where they do this thing. It's high time we see women as human beings. Not be everything would they blame woman for. Because say you be woman, there are some certain things you need to do. There are some certain things you don't need to do. Enough of all those bullshits. Enough of all this enslavement of women. If you say, if we they talk and say, woman suppose no say na woman, you not suppose they send some kind things, go give her partner, this one her husband or fiancé, person where they don't they sleep together, person where you trust. This one a person where you trust. Say it no good. Then you automatically, indirectly they say love no good. You indirectly they say love no good. Love supposed to be trust. Some people they when if you do that thing, when woman do wetin you not suppose, you know if you imagine and say human being go fit do that thing, but they not go fit do this thing where some people they do out of anger, out of anger? Why would they let ourselves, why would they make ourselves available for this evil spirit to just use us like that? Why would they let evil spirit they place curse on us? Why would they make evil spirit they just gonna take hold of us? Why? Why? And why be saying now the women they always they blame? I never hear say somebody they blame the men who do this thing. When you they cut tree from the head, you not cut them from the roots, you know they die. You know they come out. This the roots still there for ground. It go still grow until you uproot them. The evil will not leave. When we continue still they blame these women. When we continue to they blame women, men no go know their mistake. Those evil people, some of them don't even know what they do. They feel say na swag. They feel say they're too smart. They feel say they want to disgrace the girl. They disgrace themselves because they don't feel visit that cabal. They fool themselves. They just make the beast, the evil way they the world. They just destroy humanity. Nobody they blame the evil doer. They always they blame the victims. And such people will just sit down say, woman not there for this world. As this planet just big rich, woman not there when man don't offend, where get woman. We get woman, we get man private picture. Una fi say no dey. Wetin be all this one now? Why we just like to dey promote hate? Why we just dey reason with belle? Why we not dey reason with our head? Why as something just dey provoke us? Why we just dey talk am like that? Why we not dey meditate? They bring disgrace, they can't give woman away their husband house. You their husband house, you are not happy. That one a husband house. You their husband house, you be slave. You not feel express yourself. You not feel miss your husband, make you sing down fun. Wanna play, you not feel sing down. What is the need of that relationship? You not feel do one, not miss another person, not feel do one. When the person come the verse, he can't lick am out. No. Me say another person will do one tomorrow. You just need to tell somebody say, men, stop this evil acts. Now evil acts where you for send woman body come out. Now there you for send your own mama body out. Now there you for send your daughter body out. Even though you never born, the one you will born for future. Now there you for send your lovely wife body out. I don't know if you understand. Make we stop to the blame victims. Only this word, this recording, where this woman record, it went viral. This somebody fit just there for Cameroon now, where want kill himself. We go hear that your audio. You go say somebody say I don't deserve to live because people see my naked body. She go kill herself. Then you carry blood for your head. You are Jesus like you supposed give people hope to live. We need hope as human beings. We not say it's not well, but we live with hope. We live in with this idea. Say okay, today not good, tomorrow go good. That is hope. You don't take that hope from people. You not fit tell person where they cry, say, oh, he want kill himself. Oh, she not fit take the shame again. And you make audio say she not deserve to live. You make audio say human being like you, woman like you, not deserve to live. What if it happens to you tomorrow? So you will say you not deserve to live. Or you will get explanation to take back and up. Why are we this wicked to ourselves, women? If your husband they tell you say they say women wey dey for abroad all of them dey do prostitute, say he not trust you, say he not love you, or he not do something, he dey use other people matter say they judge you, let me say he not love you, let me say he not know you, let me say he not fit defend you when you not dey there. So not take that aggression take kiss somebody. Now your choice, now you choose am. You need to give people hope. When somebody, wetin you for dey do for distance relationship to start with? Wetin you dey do for distant relationship? You can't tell me, you can't tell me say you dey for abroad for 5 years, you dey for abroad for 5 years, say another man never touch you, you no fit talk am, you no go fit talk am. Some people will follow me argue, some people will say no, hey dey o, women dey, men dey, they go just stay 5 years, they no go meet any man. 5 years you no go meet any man. If you dey dream, you dey dream so you dey make love with another man, you don fornicate, you don do am, because na wetin dey your brain and wetin you dey do. If you even dey see man dey admire am, you don do am, because if heart no eat, belle no dey happy. Na heart fair dey eat, na eye fair dey dey happy. If eye no fair eat something, heart no dey eat am. Your eyes go fair like am, your eye dey like that thing. You dey go as go dey think, oh I need to dey with my husband, I need to dey with my boyfriend. You don even dey fornicate. You don dey fornicate. So make we stop this hypocrisy. Make we stop am. It's not helping anything. Stop to dey kill people with your mouth. See where your power dey. And God say he go judge us. The good spirit say he go judge us by wetin we talk, by wetin come out of our mouths, by wetin we prophesy with our tongue. Do you know? You just talk am and you don't close up. Do you know how many people listen to that audio we take their life? We just convince themselves that they don't really deserve to live. This disgrace too much. Instead of us to come together as man and woman, no matter who you be, no matter how you be, as far as a woman give birth to you, we need to tell these people where they share all these things, say it's not supposed. It's not supposed. May they stop am. May they stop to the place curse on themselves. Just imagine that person with same innocent, beautiful spirit, where still they womb, will never come life. But some people, I don't just know. I don't just know. We place curse on ourselves. Curse will be say nobody feel reverse for us. We dey place them on ourselves, and we dey find people to blame for our problem because you dey vex. The power lies in your tongue. This mouth fit keep person. This mouth fit repair person. What do you choose to do with your mouth? What do you choose to do with your tongue? What do you choose? How do you choose to make different? By criticizing people, by asking people to go kill themselves. Is that life? Is that what we truly and really want for ourselves? When anything happens, the blames they always go to women. I still don't understand. I know they know why. I know they know why they like to blame victims. I know they know why they like to blame victims. Anything will happen, and the woman supposed know now. As all this video don't they go viral, which we supposed know. Say it will go viral. How would they know? Say somebody we will love go backstab us. When we see them say it happen, we will say that person not love that person. My own love me well. Some people don't know who love them. Some people know. Say somebody not love them because with the two they carried away with some people sweet talk. we go dey lose. We no wan hear again wetin other people dey tell us. We no wan hear wetin our friends dey tell us. We dey feel say our friends dey gossip, our friends dey jealous of us. Make we abeg, make we not dey give people encouragement to go kill themselves. That woman wey make that audio, wey tell that girl or lady make she go kill herself, looking her, hearing her voice, she dey cry. She say she wan go die, and nothing touch you for heart as a woman, as a human being, as Jesus like, to give that person encouragement. You and that woman wey be victim, who do you think no really deserve to live? You wey e criticize her, you wey tell her say she no deserve to live, no be you send am come life. You no know the purpose wey she dey exist. You don't know her from Adam, not to talk of the Eve. You no know whether na that woman wey say may die, na the person wey God destined for am to better your life, because you feel say that they bring name, bad name, come give people wey dey husband house, then she deserve to die because of mistake wey she make. Everybody they made mistake for this life. As this woman just still happen, so another one just still happen right now. Side they talk to her now. Another one just still go viral right now. Now those evil people we need to stop, not be those victims. Not be those victims. Somebody we could just sit down out of anger. Say somebody say they in love with you again. Then you just look for a way to take destroy her, to take destroy the man. Men on, when I see, I don't even see them, but I don't hear the video say some men on still they go viral. We need to fish these people out. We need now woman go still do that one act. Just like as that pastor won't happen. Sometimes if it be mistake. Sometimes if it be mistake, what we need to understand now, somebody with the right senses, somebody where they normal. African not be African, black not be black, green not be green, purple not be purple. As far as you be human being, something we need to understand. Say no normal human being go on camera, they show ourselves to the world. No normal human being, even porn star, no they do like that. They do them for people to patronize them and their work and their profession. And you know if you make video about their private part, they will sue you and make sure you rot in jail. You know go fit. They still get their privacy. When we just carry something, we just carry on until we see say the person die. Waiting with the gain for destroying people. Waiting we gain. Waiting be our profits. You where they send your partner picture, video, naked picture because you they say he or she no wants you again. You be evil and good thing no will ever come to you. Good thing no will come, and you gonna find people where you want blame. You gonna find people where you want blame. Stop it. Stop this act. No stop to blame women for the evil what another person do. No stop to blame men for the evil where woman do. Anybody will send person naked picture out, now that person might be evil person. Now that person just hate love. Now that person not get love inside them. Now that person not deserve to live. Not be that person will be victim. And you know when person never teach this our African brothers and sisters lesson, say love really dey, they not gonna know what they do so. You porn star person, people where they act all these blue film stars, you know who fit post their video up and down. You know who see and you know who fit. It's private. Say you can't go do and you will go in for it. When they don't arrest, put people for jail. Not be say some women know. Some women know say wetin they do them, these men or these women, or may I talk about women. Some women know say this thing na bad thing, but because we dey feel say the time wey fit take dey, make I just leave am, make God judge am. Na you wan judge am, God no get who you wan judge. Somebody dey ask me the other day, who are you to judge? I am human being. I be human being. Na human being na do that thing. Na human being go still judge that person. Who dey judge them for court? Na human being na. God put you for there to judge them because we women, we get soft hearts. God don't create us like that. So we dey quickly dey feel for somebody where we fell love. No, make we just leave am for the old time's sake. Not be say some no know, but if you not tell somebody say you dey do bad, e no dey know. Other people no go use am learn. Other people no go use am take get sense. This thing don dey happen. If to say somebody they don sue person don go jail put and e go viral, you go see say they no go the same people naked picture again. You need to get permission from somebody before you even show person picture. If me and you on a normal day, if me and you snap picture, you need to seek permission from me before you post my picture, join your picture for Facebook. That is why look some people, they go snap together, they see all of them, they fly for social media, even put children picture for social media. It's not supposed. It's not supposed. You need to seek permission from that person. The person fit sue you. The person fit sue you when the person, you know, sometimes somebody fit just do you waiting you not expect, and person won't react. Person will truly know law. If fit fuck you up with a picture where you upload, and you just upload that onto so na be friend, onto say oh na my friend, na my girlfriend. You know if you upload my pikin picture for your phone without for your Facebook without asking me, you know go fit. That pikin is too innocent. That pikin no need to dey social media by that age where dey. You no need to dey social media. Not to talk of a private part, intimate part for our body, you show unto the world. We dey talk about maximum 10 years imprisonment. The jail where that person will serve. So when we start to teach people lesson like this, not be saying a bad thing. Say you put your partner for prison. Your partner we get mind, we don't remember the time when I take play. Put your naked picture for public. No deserve to the waka for streets because he go do unto another person. He go do unto another person. You not teach am lesson, he no know. When person do bad, you not tell am say he do bad. He go repeat am again. I can't get case with somebody for courts, and I tell my lawyer say I don't want to make case with this person. He say okay, since I don't want to make case, make we close am. Police come meet me for house. They invite me come police station. I can't go station. When I reach station, they say they not see me again. I say I don't want make case. I don't want problem. Let God judge. Make the person just go. Police said they not go agree. Police said they not go agree because he go do unto another person. They need to tell them say that thing wey he do no good. To me now, to me for my heart, I truly and sincerely forgive this person. I just say, as long as we fair the do am, God go judge this person. This person offend me. No, I no want. Make it just may go. No, not be say my ex or my boyfriend or somebody. No, this one are just unknown person. He follow me facts. Police say no, he no get right to take beat me as a woman. He no get right to take even touch me as a woman. They need to punish and put. If not, he will do unto somebody else. If not, he will do unto somebody else. They petition the boy. He go in for it. But when he come back, he realize the mistake. Do you know, he can't tell me say sorry. He no reason am like that. He can't still tell me sorry. Maybe say na Africa person. He go dey plan and you want to call cultist people. He go dey plan and you want to do you evil. He no go learn from that mistake. Because they are not used to it. Because we are not used to it. Because we dey feel say God go judge. No. Make we start to dey teach ourselves lesson. When we use one, they do lesson. Another person not go try them again. If you even lost your phone, when somebody see naked picture inside or naked video inside, you know go post them out. Because if you really want to trace who that phone they with, where the for send them, you will get them. You will get them. Who send that video out? The first person will send that video out. If you really they willing to get who send them out, it will take time for them to take investigate them. But believe me, they will get the person. All the months where they take investigate them, they will count them times 10. We go take go in for them. So make we abeg. What am I trying to say? Make we not they accuse the victims, because you can't stop it. As long love they as long people believe in love, as long people they trust, as long you trust your partner, it will still happen. It will happen. More than they say, make people learn from their mistake. There is nothing wrong in trusting your partner. To me, in my own opinion, there is nothing wrong trusting the person you love. Now the person where you love, where send that picture out, now not deserve you. Now the person where you love, where not appreciate that your golden love, now be evil. So make we abeg. Make we abeg. Make we stop so they make people who kill themselves. More we stop like this, my beautiful woman, where say that woman not deserve to live. Say make she just hear am. Say the woman just go kill herself as they talk. So what will you gain? What you will tell God? What you will tell good spirits? What you will tell that Jesus where you say you believe? Say because somebody they irritate you, person where you don't know, person where you know, in fact, you don't know that you will see him for life. You say me just go kill yourself like that. Wait till we they talk. We will give accounts of him one day. How many people don't use our mouth take key? We will give accounts for it one day. All of us will pay for everything where we dey talk with our mouth, because now our he say he go judge us by wetin we talk. We should be careful. We should stop being murderers by what we say to people. Because you know, just like somebody, just see me the person go die. You know, say somebody fit just dey in that 5 minutes or 3 minutes time of mad wey dey mad. He could just really kill himself. You go say no be you kill him. Now you kill him. If they see that message where you send, go give that person. They will call you murderer. Say you push the person, go kill yourself. If human being fit persecute you for message where you send, go give person, how you say God go to forgive you for killing thousands? Because you don't know who gets that your audio. You don't know who get that your video where you make. You don't know how many people you kill. We should be careful. We should promote love. Maybe we stop to attack all these victims. More give this victim room to live. More give them space to take breath. More give them hope instead of us to pull them down. They don't do bad to trust somebody. They don't do bad to love somebody. Make we abeg. Make we tolerate people. We don't pour our anger on people, because we don't know these people. We don't know where we from meet. We don't know what will happen to us tomorrow. Today get belle, tomorrow we don't know what will born. Whether na 1, whether na 2, we don't know. So for that simple reason, we should give people hope and encouragement. I hope I've been able to make my points. This is Sophie Universe. This is the massive truth. If this one is your first time to watch my video. Please subscribe to watch more of my video. If you want to talk to me personally, or you want some of my cowrings when I make my earrings, you just like inbox me, tell me what you want. If not the cowrings, if not these ones, if not the earring, support me, patronize me, encourage me. I will reply you. If you get any question to ask me, just send the question to me. I'll try my possible best to answer you the way I tell a think for my own universe, the way I tell a view things, the way I feel say it will take better for me. I will give it to you. You yourself will see reason now, put your own join now, see how you go fit a work out. Until I come your way next time, thanks for the time.